Classmate kayo? Grade 1? Hindi kayo classmate? Before?
Iyak siya.
Ha?
Ay, hindi pa ako. Saint Matthew siya.
Oh, Saint Matthew.
You know, is it blue? It was red.
The uniform. Same with Ate Ariel. Doy. Same with Ate Ariel. Saint Matthew.
No, our feet. Blue and
Easy Clay friend. What's your name? B1. B1?
Well, you're the one who spoke to him, right?
Nagre-race kayo? Huwag mag-race ha, kasi pag sumemplang.
Ayaw ko mag-race, nahulog na po ako.
Yes. Doy ha, sabi mo sa kanya huwag mag-race ha. Kasi pag na
Disgrasa.
semplang, disgrasya, yung head, yung ulo, pag pwedeng tumama sa
Wasak.
floor. Mawawasak yung ulo, madadamage yung brain.
Anyways, let's go. Mamaya papasok siya.
Of course, okay lang, basta friend.